Hi everyone, this is Mr. O'Gall, and in this video we are going to be doing a review of literal equations, and this is something we did in topic 2, so at the very beginning of the year. Alright, so now I'd like you to pause the video, find your notes on literal equations in your notebook, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, now once you've found them, I'd like you to please draw a butterfly on the top of your paper so that you can get credit for having these notes and keeping them all year. Pause the video, draw your butterfly, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. So for those of you that have your notes, this should already be written down. If you do not have your notes, please pause the video, write these notes down, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, so the goal of solving literal equations is to isolate or solve for one variable. And we have 5 steps in order to do this. The first is to box your variable. Then you're going to draw your railroad. You're going to fill in the chart of what's being done to the variable, and then how you're going to undo it. So if what's being done is multiplication, to undo it, you're going to do division. Then you actually solve, and you can check your answer at the very end to make sure you're right. Alright, so let's solve problem number 1 using these 5 steps. It says, solve the equation y is equal to 6x plus 5 for x. So I'm going to write the equation down. Y is equal to 6x plus 5. And I know I'm solving for x. So my first step is to box my variable. Here we go, I'm boxing x. Now I'm going to draw my railroad right here. I'm going to fill in my chart, my do and undo chart. So the first thing, what's being done is this plus 5. And to undo it, I'm going to subtract 5. The other thing that's being done is a multiplication by 6 times 6. To undo it, I'm going to divide by 6. All right, now we're actually going to solve. So let's subtract 5 from both sides. And these cross out. We have y minus 5 is equal to 6x. I'm going to box my variable again. And now what's being done is a multiplication by 6. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. The 6's cross out. And I have y minus 5 over 6. Over 6 is equal to x. Pause the video, make sure this problem is solved, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 2. I'd like you to solve this problem on your own. Pause the video, solve the problem, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 3. I'd like you to try and solve it on your own. Hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Hint number 1. In A, you're solving for h, so you're going to box the h variable and then divide. Pause the video, keep going, hit play if you need hint number 2. Ready, pause. Alright, hint number 2. You're going to divide both sides by b to get rid of b. Pause the video, hit play if you need hint number 3. Ready, pause. Alright, here's hint number 3. Normally we would want to divide both sides by 1/2, but that's kind of hard when we're solving literal equations. However, we know that dividing by 1/2 is equal to multiplying by 2. So I'm just going to multiply both sides by 2, and that's how I'm going to get rid of my 1/2. So I get 2a over b is equal to h. Pause the video, solve problem B, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 4 is to solve the equation for y. Pause the video, try and solve this problem on your own, hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Right, hint number 1 is to box the y variable and draw your railroad. Pause the video, try and solve, hit play if you need hint number 2. Ready, pause. Hint number 2 is we're going to subtract 5x from both sides to get rid of the 5x over here. So we're left with 2y is equal to 7 minus 5x. Pause the video, finish solving, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, here's problem number 5. I'd like you to solve it on your own. Hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's your hint in this problem. Dividing something by 1/2 is the same as multiplying something by 2. Pause the video, solve problem 5, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, problem number 6. I'd like you to pause the video, try to solve it on your own, hit play if you need a hint. Ready, pause. Alright, here's your hint. If you have something divided by 49, it's the same as 1/49th times that something. Pause the video, finish this problem, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Problem number 7, I'm actually going to read it to you. It says, which equation is not equivalent to the equation minus 3m plus n is equal to L? Here's how I would go about solving this problem. First, I would solve for n to see if f is correct. Then, I will solve for m to see if g, h, and I are correct. Pause the video, solve problem 7, and hit play if you need another hint. Ready, pause. Here's your hint. Something divided by 3 is the same as multiplied by 1/3. Pause the video, solve problem 7, hit play to move on. Ready, pause. Problem 8 you should be all set to do on your own. Ready, go. Great job, you're all done. You are now a pro at solving literal equations. Yay!